How to make a graph in Google Sheets. If you would like to make a graph in Google Sheets, first of all, simply open up your Sheets. Then just make sure that you have a certain data over here. Now this type of data, you want to convert it into a graph. So you just have to select the cells and the columns that you want to convert to a graph like this. Once you do so, from the top, you can see the Insert menu. Click on it and go to the option called Chart. Once you do that, the Sheets is actually quite smart, so it will automatically choose what type of chart is best for you. But if you're not satisfied with it, on the right hand side, you can make sure to choose your chart type in the form of line, bar, column, or whatever. You can choose a stacking, you can choose your data range, your series, and so on if something you feel is not accurate. But to give you an idea, this is how you can create a graph in Google Sheets. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.